I'm in the car, autopilot or full self-driving is getting really good. I drive it all. I use it most of the time now when I drive. 10:30 this morning. It's now 9:37 and a couple blocks from the hotel. This is what I gotta deal with. This is the Tesla Loop in Las Vegas. It's closed today. This is one end of it, the south end of it. It takes, there's 3 stops. This is the first, well, the southern stop, and then midway, and then it goes up to the North Hall. So it takes you all the different parts of the convention center. So you come down here, obviously you gotta go down below grade. Las Vegas Convention Center South Station, Vegas Loop. So this was dug by the Boring Company. And you get in a Tesla and you go through this tunnel. But we're not going to do it today. Well, unfortunately, everything's closed today. At least this loop is closed. But you saw most of it. I guess there's not much to really see except the tunnels, and then of course the cars going through the tunnels. You recognize these sheds here look a lot like the sheds that cover the superchargers that you find all over the country, especially in California. Well, that's to give you an idea. Here's the cutter head again. There's the South Hall Convention Center behind me. I'll give you another shot of the tunnel. There it is behind me. There's a ramp going down to it. That's it. That's all there is to it. Walking back from the south entrance of the Vegas Loop, which is the Boring Company's tunnel that connects the various convention centers. South, there's a mid-central station, and then I guess it's the west loop, or west is the furthest. Convention center goes east to west. Everything's big here. I thought stuff was big in Texas. Man, Las Vegas, each block is about 10 times the size of a New York City street. Especially when you walk in New York, when you're walking up the avenues, 5th Avenue, 6th Avenue, the blocks are pretty short. But if you're walking along the streets, the other direction, they're pretty long. But here, everything's really far. You can see this big sphere they're building. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to ask. See it over my left shoulder, right here. This big sphere dome. Pretty cool. That thing is huge. I have to ask what that's all about. I'm on my way to the Mirage to go see the Beatles Cirque du Soleil show. And they let me take photographs, so I'll take a couple pictures for you.
candy today.
Yeah, I was like, you said breakfast, I was like,
Cat Creek Falls. I was hoping the sun would come out, but I don't think it's going to come out, so I'm going to take a video to the best I can do. Here are the walls of the canyon. Wow, they're steep. Here comes the water. 126 feet high. Okay, we're gonna hike back. It's about 3 miles. It took me an hour to get here. The sun's not gonna come out. It's a nice trail, pretty flat, runs along the creek. There's a lot of people come up here around 9, 10 o'clock, and they've all gone back. It's a nice little pool. Walk around a rock. Can hold the camera, can't use my poles. Hope I don't fall. Woohoo! Guess you got to look at the water there. This is Escalante Grand Staircase National Park.